Oh.
Is he seriously making us do this now?
OG just thinks he's so clever.
There's no way to do this.
How can you see that when the moon's not changed? Let's get this work done and
My life and when I'm feeling down, scrubbing the floors always removes a frown. The window panes reflect the struggles in my life. I make a new path and wash away my strife.
Better not be another verse.
Brace yourself, it's coming. New path, so what's the use? Just give me a break. All friends will still leave distress in their wake.
Everyone seems lazy while I'm going crazy to clean up the mess that others leave.
but what we do is a consequence. I learned that from the internet. No question, I'm a nicer host. I don't mean to boast.
No one needs to like you if you like yourself. Just brush off your hardships in life, them from the shelf. Sometimes the